So this is very easy number 4, X variety. And again, the very easies very rarely use the rules of the new pattern, but it's a great way to start learning the rules of the new pattern. So with the X, in addition to 1 through 9 in every row, column, and square, you also have to have 1 through 9 on each leg of the X. So to the 9s we go. These 2 columns already have 9s, so this is where that 9 goes. These 2 columns already have 9s. This row has a 9, so this 9's one of those 2. There's only 3 spots here. This one's already taken, so it's one of these 2, which also guarantees that it's on that leg. Notice that this guarantees that this is not on this leg, and this one already has a 9 that says it's not going to be on this leg. So we know this 9 has to be on this leg, and these 2 are already not possible due to those 9s. So we know this 9 has to be there. That now makes this 9 have to be there, which makes this 9 have to be there. No on that column, no on that row, so this 9 has to be there. To the 8s, this 8 blocks this column, so this 8 has to be here in this column. And again, this column's blocked, this column's blocked. This one has to be here, can't be there, so must be there. That blocks that, so this one has to be there. These 2 rows are blocked, as is this column, so this one has to be there. These 2 columns are blocked, so this one either has to be up here or right here. Now, I will note them, but then I'm going to go look at my X and notice this square already has an 8, so no, 8 can't be on that part of the X. 8 can't be part of this part of the X because, number 1, they're filled in. Number 2, there's an 8 already in that square. So the 8 on this leg has to be in this square, and it cannot be there. So it has to be there, which now makes this one have to be there. And those 2 rows are covered, as is this column, so that 8 has to be there. To the 7s we go. Those 2 rows and this column are covered, so there's our 7. And these 2 columns and these 2 rows are covered, so there's our 7 there. 6s, these 2 columns are covered, so there's our 6. Our 6 has to be in one of these 2 boxes. This leg already has a 6 right here, so it can't be there. It's got to be up there. Now those 2 rows are covered, so that 6 has to be there. This column and this row are covered, so that 6 has to be there. This column and this row are covered, so that 6 has to be there. To the 5s we go. Let's see, this one blocks that box, so this 5 has to be there. Now that blocks that row, so that one has to be there. That blocks that column, so that has to be there. Now both of these columns are blocked, so this one has to be there. Both of these rows are blocked, so this one has to be there. To the 4s, these 2 rows are blocked, so this 4 has to be here or here. One of these 2 boxes, this one, is on the leg of the X. I see I already have a 4 on the leg of this X, so the 4 cannot be there either. It has to be there. This 4 has to be in one of these 2. Can't be that one, so it's got to be that one. Only one place left for a 4 there. Only one place left for a 4 there. And this one's blocked by that. This one's blocked by that, so this one has to be there. The 3s, this is blocked here, so that's where it's at. This is blocked here, so that's where it's at. And this is blocked here, so that's where it's at. The 2s, this one has to be one of these 2. That one's blocked, doubly so it's there. One of these 2, and this one's blocked, so that one's there. And the 1s fill in all the rest of the empty spaces. Thanks for watching.